My name is GOPI KRISHNA. I am from Hyderabad and I completed my B.TECH in Bharat Institute of Technology in the stream of CSE, and I have been passed out in 2024. I came to Jspiders as an incubation student. Here I got to develop my skills from core to industrial standards in Java full stack development. Here the faculties like Vivek sir, Kaushik sir, who taught me core Java, and Ningra sir, who taught me web technologies, along with Krishna ma'am, who taught SQL, and finally the advanced Java and the Spring Boot framework, which were taught by Ravi sir, helped me a lot to get my job. Apart from these skills, I have been also trained on presentation skills and aptitude skills. They conduct grooming sessions before every interview. Every interview is scheduled. These helped me a lot during my interviews.